G'day and welcome to the Job Scheduler. Your new best mate will be this little icon here next to the title. Give it a hover. This legend explains everything at a glance, from the $ colours for timesheet statuses to what the different shift and equipment icons mean. You can see that jobs are colour-coded by worksite. If you hover over them, you'll be given an enormous amount of information. If you right-click, you can make some changes. You can change your view. You can scroll left or right. You can set some filters. And if you want to see all your assets, not just those assigned to jobs, you can click this little button here. If you need to go to a profile, you can simply click on the name. The Job Scheduler is a pretty big beast. This was just a very quick user guide video. We have more in-depth videos available, so if you want to dig deeper, be sure to check them out.